Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of permutations and combinations. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us that consider a rectangle ABCD. So there's a rectangle given to us ABCD having 5, 7, 6, 9 points in the interior of the line segments ABCD, BC, and DA. So in AB, we have been given 5 points. So 5 points on AB. In CD, we have been given 7 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 points here. In BC, we have been given 6 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in DA, we have been given 9 points. So for DA, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have been given these points respectively. Then the question tells us alpha be the number of triangles having these points from different sides as vertices. So basically, alpha is the number of triangles that we have to form taking 1 point at a time from each side, and beta it's told to us that it is basically number of quadrilaterals I can form having these points from different sides as vertices, and the question asks us to find out value of beta minus alpha. And if I talk about the answer choices, they are 717, 795, 1890, and the last answer choice is 1173. So let's figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. Before starting off with the solution, I would first like to elaborate that please do subscribe to my channel if you are enjoying these videos that we are doing every day, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos on everyday basis. So let's see the solution now. Solution, it tells us that alpha is the number of triangles that you can form selecting 1 point from each side as the vertex of that. So alpha, if I want to form a triangle, I can take 1 point from this, 1 point from this 6 points, and 1 point from this 7 points. So out of 5, I'm selecting 1 point. Out of 6, I'm selecting one. Out of 7 points, I'm selecting one. Or so this becomes one triangle. Or I can do out of 5 points, one here. Out of 9 points, one from here. And out of 7 points, one from here. So out of 5, I'm selecting one. Out of 9, I'm selecting one. Out of 7, I'm selecting. Or I can do one from this 5 points, one from this 6 points, and one from this 9 points. So this also forms a triangle. So 5, 6, and 9. Or I can do one from the 7 points, one from the 6 points, and one from the 9 points. So 7, 6, and 9. So what do I get here is 5 into 6 into 7, 5 into 9 into 7, 5 into 6 into 9, 7 into 6. So from here I get 5 into 7 common. So you get 9 plus 6, which is 15. So 5 into 15 into 7. From here I get 6 and 9 common. So 5 plus 7, 12. 12 into 6 into. So if I just multiply them now, let's see what I get. So 7 into 5 is basically 35 into 15. 12 into 9 into 6, which is 54. So 35 into 15. So 15 5 is 75, 7, 15 3, 45, 7, 52. So 525 plus 54 into 12, which is 12 fours is 48, 4, 12 fives is 64, 648. So from here, I get this as 13. So 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 plus 5, 11. So you get 1173 triangles you can form, taking 1 point from each side as the vertices. So all of that can give me 1173 triangles. Let's find beta. Basically, that's basically telling us how many quadrilaterals I can form. So let's see that. So for beta, to form a quadrilateral, I'll select a point from each side. So out of 5, I'm selecting one. Out of 6, I'm selecting one. Out of 7, I'm selecting one. Out of 9, I'm selecting. So that basically becomes a quadrilateral. So for that, we only have this option. So out of 5, out of 6, out of 7, out of 9. I'm selecting one from each side as the vertex. So I get 5 into 6 into 7 into 9. That gives me 63. And this gives me 30. So 0, 63 into 3, which is 189. So 1890 is the total number of quadrilaterals that I can form. Now, once I have alpha with me, once I have beta with me, I'll just find the difference between them. So 1890 minus alpha, we know it's basically 1173. So that gives me 717. So if I see the answer which matches here with the question, it is option A. So A becomes the correct answer here for the question that is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which deals with the ideas of choosing one element out of the number of options given. So we figured out how many triangles I can form, we figured out how many quadrilaterals we can form, and then we just found the difference between them, which matches with option A. So A becomes the correct answer here for the question that is given to us. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic. And we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing every day, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share these videos with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions which we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.